Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Agis K Rahman. Okay, today we are going to learn about modal auxiliaries in English. Okay, and the modal auxiliaries are words that help us express abilities, permission, possibilities, and necessities. By understanding this, you will improve your communication skill and be able to express yourself in more nuanced way. Okay, let's begin our learn today. Model auxiliaries. Okay, the model auxiliaries is word that help us to express abilities, permission, possibilities, and necessities. By understanding this, you have to improve communication skill and be able to express yourself and in nuanced way. Okay. There are this main of kind of modal auxiliaries. There are primary modal, semi-modals, and partial modals. Primary modals include words like can, may, and must. And the next one, semi-modals, such as have to, need to, work similarly to primary modals. And last one, partial modals, like be able to and be allowed to, also convey similar meanings. Okay, we will go through each type their function. Next, modal verb list is a list of the main modal verb. For example, can is used to express ability or possibility, and may indicate permission or possibility. Each modal verb has its specific use, which we will cover in detail along with example, so you can understand when to use each one. Okay, do you understand? Okay, next. Model to express ability and inability. Now let's look at how we use model to express ability and inability. For example, can and could are commonly used for ability. Okay, you can say I can swim. I can swim for ability. Okay, you can say I can swim for ability because there are commonly used can and could. Okay, and for inability, we use the negative form like I cannot dance. Notice that could is often used to talk about past ability. For instance, when I was young, I could run very fast. Okay, do you understand? Next, ability and inability example. Here are a few examples for ability and inability. You can say I can swim or she could speak 3 languages. To show ability. For inability, we say I can dance or he couldn't solve the puzzle. This example help clarify when to use can and could based on different situations. Okay, do you understand? Next, model to express permission. Next, let's discuss model for expressing permission. We use may in what situation? Okay, we use may in formal situation. For example, may I leave now? In informal setting, we use can. Like, can I borrow your pen? And when asking politely, we use could, such as could I use your phone? And for more tentative requests, we use might, like might I make a suggestion? Okay, do you understand? Okay, I will repeat again. Listen carefully. Let's discuss model for expressing permission. Okay, we use may in informal situation. For example, may I leave now? In informal setting, we use can, like can I borrow your pen? And when asking politely, we use could, such as could I use your phone? And for tentative requests, we use might, like might I make a suggestion? Okay, do you understand? Next, sorry. Permission example. Here are example of asking for permission in different contexts. In the formal setting, a student might ask, may I be excused? And the teacher would respond, yes, you may. For informal situation, a friend could ask, can I use your laptop? And you could say, sure, go ahead. Okay. For polite requests like, could I have a glass of water? And the response is, of course. There is in polite request. Okay, next. Sorry. Models to express advisable and necessary action. Now let's look expressing what advisable and necessary. We use should for advice, like you should study harder. For strong necessity, we use must, as in he must submit the report by tomorrow, or he must submit the report tomorrow. When there is a moral obligation, we use have to. For intense, we have to help those in need. These expressions are helpful when giving recommendation or stating rules. Okay, do you understand? There is should and must, and the last one is have to. Okay, next. Advisable and necessary example. This is example to make this concept clearly. For something advisable, we say you should exercise regularly to stay healthy. If it's necessary, we use must, such as employees must clock in 9 a.m. For moral obligation, we say we have to reduce our plastic waste. These expressing are commonly in use everyday life to communicate expectation and advice. Okay, next one. Modal and their use. This slide summarizes the primary use of each modal verb with example. For ability, we can use can, or cold, like I can speak Spanish. For possibility, may or might. Work as in it may rain tomorrow. When expressing necessity, we use must, such as you must wear a seat belt. Okay, and for advice, you should in use like you should eat more vegetable. This chart will be helpful for quick reference. Okay, write on your book. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope this lesson help clarify to use of modal auxiliaries. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Let's practice using some this modal sentence now. Okay, maybe enough from me. I do apologize for myself for my speak because I still study. And the last I said, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.